Welcome to Wireless Ethical Hacking, Penetration Testing Crash Course. Wireless Ethical Hacking Training Course by Tonex gives an inside and out, hands-on extensive data on wireless security and penetration, testing, and defenses on wireless frameworks. Learn penetration testing utilizing Kali Linux, security leader ethical hacking instruments and techniques, planned and composed by the Kali Linux designers. Wireless Ethical Hacking Concentrated Labs give you top-to-bottom information and functional involvement with the wireless security frameworks including Wi-Fi ethical hacking including 802.11n, 802.11 acres/advertisement, 802.11x, Bluetooth LA, Zigbee, GSM/CDMA hacking, UMTS 3G, LTE 4G, and 5G wireless ethical hacking, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. You will figure out how interlopers raise benefits and what steps can be taken to anchor a wireless framework. Participants will likewise find out about penetration testing and countermeasures, intrusion detection, policy creation, social engineering, DOS attacks, buffer overflows, and virus creation. Workstation required. Throughout the course, understudies will take an interest in hands-on practices in the wake of booting into a live Linux condition in view of the Kali circulation. A bootable CD will be disseminated in the class for all understudies. Course agenda. Introduction and overview. Wireless security applied to 802.20. Assessing WPA-PSK and WPA-2 networks. Wireless hacking applied. Jaren, CDMA 2000, UMTS, HSPA/HSPA+, WiMAX, LTE Advanced. Wave and 5G security attacks. Bluetooth, BLE, Zigbee, 802.15.4, 6LoWPAN, Thread, Z-Wave and IPv6 security attacks. Wireless security implementation strategies. Introduction and overview. Overview of wireless systems. Overview of GSM, GPRS/Edge, UMTS, HSPA/HSPA+, CDMA, CDMA 2000, WiMAX, Wi-Fi, 802.1, Bluetooth BLE, Zigbee, 802.15.4, 6LoWPAN, LTE Advanced, LTE Advanced Pro, and 5G. Overview of TCP/IP. Overview of network and computer architecture and security attacks. Ethical hacking and penetration testing. Footprinting and reconnaissance. TCP/IP basics and scanning. Sniffers and session hijacking. Intrusion detection systems. Firewalls, ethics, and legal issues. Wireless security principles. Wireless LAN and MAN standards and architecture and more. Introduction and overview labs. Lab 1, using basic TCP/IP tools and utilities, host, ifconfig, ping, tracer, port scanning, sniffing. Lab 2, setting the WAN card operating modes, sniffing in monitor mode. Tools, Kali Linux, Wireshark. Wireless security applied to 802.20. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee and WiMAX security principles. Common capabilities of the IEEE 802.20 MAC. Understanding the architecture and operating of ad hoc and infrastructure networks. Understanding the operation and behavior of IEEE 802.1x authentication. Packet framing on wireless networks. Understanding the 802.11 header format and fields. 802.11 address field ordering and behavior. 802.11 management, control and data frames. 802.11 management action frames. Rogue network threats and more. Wireless security applied to 802.20 labs. Sniffing MAC layer. Locating rogue devices through RSSI signal analysis, triangulation. Cheating at rogue detection using CDP and MAC address variations. Identifying rogue APs with Nessus, using RSSI characteristics to locate device. Assessing WPA-PSK and WPA-2 networks. To kit hash weaknesses and countermeasures, tool, WPA hand grenade. Attacking the passphrase selection of WPA-2 PSK networks. Denial of service, DOS, attacks on wireless networks. IEEE 802.11 MAC attacks, authentication and association floods, authenticate and disassociation floods, beacon DS set DOS, invalid authentication flood, power management attacks and more. Wireless hacking applied. Wireless hotspot networks. Labs, service theft, passive and active session hijacking, spoofed provider access, direct client attacks. Hotspot injection attacks, manipulating unencrypted network transmissions. Wireless client exposures and vulnerabilities. Publicly secure packet forwarding, PSPF, understanding PSPF filtering, defeating PSPF. Attacking the preferred network list, PNL, lab, hotspotter for network redirection, IEEE 802.11 protocol fuzzing, understanding the format of the SSID information element as an example and how an attacker would exploit it, impact of driver bugs, client fingerprinting techniques. Techniques for protecting client systems. JARN, CDMA 2000, UMTS, HSPA/HSPA+, WiMAX, LTE Advanced. Unwave and 5G security attacks. GSM family, JARN, HSPA/HSPA+, LTE Advanced Pro, Unwave and 5G, of network wireless attacks. CDMA family of network wireless attacks. War viewing and exploiting wireless video transmitters, tool, mobile warspy. Introduction to next-generation wireless attacks using software-defined radio, SDR, and the Universal Software Radio Peripheral, USRP, tool, USRP and new radio. Introduction to cellular protocols and GSM networks, demodulating GSM traffic, GSM reference sources and data capture and analysis, risks with GSM use, Wireshark and GSM sniffing, exploiting weaknesses in GSM encryption. Zigbee and Bluetooth BLE security threats. Exploiting range in Bluetooth networks, Bluetooth attacks including rogue APS, bluesnarfing, BlueAlign, wireless works. Sniffing Bluetooth networks, hacker techniques for building Bluetooth sniffers. Exploiting Bluetooth non-discoverable mode, discovering non-discoverable devices. Exploiting Bluetooth profile vulnerabilities, audio recording attacks, exploiting Bluetooth headsets, Bluetooth device impersonation attacks. Bluetooth, BLE, Zigbee, 802.15.4, 6 LoWPAN, Thread, Z-Wave and IPv6 security attacks. 802.15.1 802.15.4 wireless attacks. Bluetooth and BLE network wireless attacks. Zigbee network wireless attacks. 6 LoWPAN network wireless attacks. IPv6 network wireless attacks. Wireless security implementation strategies. Wireless security strategies and policies. Establish wireless LAN security policies and practices. Design for wireless security. Analyze protocols. Restrict AP connections. Protect wireless devices. Introduction to ITS/IPS. Configuring and securing wireless systems. Managing certificate trust policies. Who should attend? Ethical hackers and penetration testers. Network security professionals. Network and system administrators. Incident response teams. Information security policy decision makers. Technical auditors. Information security consultants. Security managers. Security consultants. Wireless and RF professional. Wireless ethical hacking, penetration testing crash course. Price, $3,999. Course number, 6503. Length, 4 days. Continuing education credits, 26.
Learn more about wireless ethical hacking. Call Tonex experts today 1-972-665-9786. Visit Tonex website www.tonex.com.